friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. Today we're going to make these cute little snowmen. And what we used for this project is a toilet paper roll, some white yarn that I wrap around the roll, and I've got some black tinsel pom-poms for the eyes, or some little black buttons for the eyes. I've got a little carrot that I used, just the tip of the carrot. I cut it off for the end of his nose, or we have some little orange pom-poms to use for his nose. I've got some black buttons for decorating him up. And I've got some material for a scarf for the mother and for a scarf for the father. I've got a hat for the mother and a hat for the father. So the first thing we have to do is take our glue gun and start gluing. And when you do, you want to keep it nice and close to the bottom edge so that when it's glued, it'll still stand up and not topple over. So let's get started. And I want to mention that as you're wrapping, you want to wrap it as close to each other as you can, wrapping the yarn around close together as you can, gluing it just every so often as you go. And then when you're done wrapping, drop a little bit of glue just inside the tube and stick your extra piece of yarn down in there just to hold it. So there we have it, our little snowman family. Aren't they cute? And so easy to make. It really is an easy craft, and all you need is some toilet paper rolls and some yarn, hot glue, something for decorations for a little scarf and buttons, and you're all set to go. And this would be cute to make with your kids or your grandkids, other than the hot glue perhaps. But if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to help my channel grow. And thank you so much for watching. Bye now.